uh, how you can create a token and decode it using JWT. So for this, we will create a JWT token in our controller file, which is our auth.controller, which is sorry, in our middleware file. And after creating the middleware, what we will write, we will write this export constant route as we have discussed in our last video. We have created a protected route for our middleware. So in that we will insert a try and catch block. So why this try and catch block is responsible to manage the token. So for this we will create a new token, a declare a constant for a token, and we will request it from cookies, our JWT token. So after creating a token, we will check that if the token is not found in our database, then it will found unauthorized access. Otherwise, it will return the catch block with an error code. So this we will write the code and in the catch block. So if there is no token, then it will create a decode token. We have to decode this token as we have seen in our Postman collection. So for login routes, we will decode the token and with our JWT secret key, which is our env file. So if I will expand this, so I have created a token here and I have given a message. After that, I created a decoded token. So if I have decoded this token and if the decode token is not found in our database, then we have written an error message which is an unauthorized invalid token. Now we have to find the user in our database. So what we will do, we will create a constant user using an await, and we'll find that user by the ID and pass that user ID in our decoded token. So we will use the help decode this token with the help of password. So the password field will found, and if there is no user found, then we can return the state error response with a status code of 404 to handle the token. So we have created a user here. We have find the user in database and pass that user ID in our decoded token. So this is our code, and if the user gets found, then it will request that user and it will use the next function which we have used here. So this next will be responsible for managing it. Now after that we'll insert the catch block. So this will happen, this will manage the error handling in our protected routes, which is in our middleware. So I can give the message here error in protected route in middleware and return a status code of 500 with an internal server error. So for this also I will have to import those routes. So I can write the import protect route from auth middleware access. So this will manage our update profile with the protect route and will update the profile fig. So I hope this video will be clear for it. We can in this video we have created a JWT token and decode that token using our with the help of JWT secret key. And if the user gets found, then we have created a new user and pass that into our uh, protect route method, which is our router. So it will update the profile pic according to the token. So I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching.